to transform it to transparent water. Okay, and drinkable.
Oh.
And this one is drinkable.
Wow.
1, 2, 3. This is the video.
Hello everyone. Mayam asigi vlog sidi akhoi Taipei Meet 2022 sigi vlog sida akhoi startup company mayam gi mogi unabagi hai tare ne startup mayam gi event function ne adugi akhoi international satra kai mayam pulap la e sida koi bus am da wire friend startup akhoi assignment piba akhoi oja na ko mo atai khara koi bagi oina lak ko joi akhoi oina di startup company kaino ahum unaraga akhoi assignment oina submit tawgadaw hai tare moigi startup sing gi problem amasong moigi startup sing gi problem da kaino solution putraga solve tawai mong ni
Chris, sama.
So,
Welcome to Taipei. So this is your first time in Taipei?
yeah.
Okay.
Mid Taipei.
Yeah, they won't ask you. What is this for?
It's stamp to enter. VIP. Thank you. Careful. Oh yeah. Masuk minimum. So for resetting them will be
You?
and one Malaysian student.
Let's go. 郑业，好，问你在哪一个馆？对，你是在哪一个摊位？What is this for?
Oh, this is called Dream Classes. You can put it on in the morning, and then you will feel sleep better at the night.
Can I try it?
Okay, of course. Because this product
Yeah,
costs
yeah, for making.
a lot of money.
Like,
yeah.
is it available in the market right now?
You can buy 5,000
Taiwan dollar.
Taiwan dollar.
Okay. Do you find any kind of problem in the market?
Yeah, of course. Sure.
can you please share some problem you are facing
Yeah.
to sell this product?
Okay. This is my name card.
Yeah,
If you are interested,
yeah.
you can contact me. Okay.
You're Wilson Xiang.
Yeah,
Okay.
Wilson. I'm Wilson.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Bye.
Thank you.
กว่าคุยไต้หวันได้ละการแต่คุยทับกุมบ่เตากี่คนจะหายตากันดีกว่าวันในอินเทอร์เน็ตเซ็นกี่มีจริงสิเhelp เตาหายตาจะยิงกันใช่ไหมครับ
Hi to everyone.
Hi.
你好。
Hello.
Our CEO, she's from India.
I'm from India
Oh, you from India?
yeah company ตัวหายตาเลยไอ้คนแบบได้ส่งสลับไปหายตาเลยให้ยังไงทับกุมบ่ต้องนิ่งคนนิ่งตาก็จะ foreigner หายตาเลยอินเทอร์เน็ตเซ็นยี่มี타박이가 TV 고보다 오다 와 되는 거네요. 뭐냐 마팅 빵 봐야지. 아도 아이디 스타트업 컴퍼니 아마 디텍나래도 아니 뭐 디텍나도 티도 와래 파라 인터레스트 래 봐이다. 아도 어사이먼트 거 또 아도 두기 아이디 살라게나 라이. 얘가 생매암 어때 그 인터레스트 래 봐. 공트라마 토이타 등아이다 cái nó đã hành đông đi Taiwan Tech use best
We have a lot of resources to help with startup to go global and to expand their evolution of business and their finance and a lot of function to help the startup to go global. Yeah.
Is it only for the local Taiwanese or
No. We have a lot of portfolio companies from Singapore, Hong Kong.
Window from the national.
National Taiwan University? Oh, okay.
Process the recycle solar panels and the solar panels, and it's eco-friendly and profitable way. It's like with the
This
solar
is the
panel.
sauna?
It's by solar panel.
Yeah.
Yes. Here, we can bring into the machine
Yeah.
and to dismantle the junction box and the back sheet. And then glass and some material like this is the recyclable
Recyclable.
materials.
See the light tag?
Yeah, I see.
You just scan it. Now you have to wait. When that bar finish, then we have two channels.
Yeah.
Okay, first channel, you can see the sky have our company's logo.
Yeah.
Everybody's company's logo in the sky.
Yeah.
Also, we can collect it. They can collect to your website. This company.
北科技大学 National Commercial University. Is it? Okay, good. Okay, so make sure I'm in the correct group. Okay, so good morning, everyone. I'm your guide today. So later I will go in show you into, but before that, I want to give you some basic idea of this exhibition. So now you're in Mid Taipei. So do you have any idea which year Mid Taipei starts the exhibition? Anyone? No idea? Sorry? 2014. 14. So it's ninth year of this exhibition, and next year is going to celebrate its 10th anniversary. Okay, so I have some basic idea. And for this year, there are more about 500 startups joining this exhibition with about 75 international groups. And 44 of them have physical booth here. So most of them are in outdoor.
8个里面给了多少段？我们把这边看看两种因素，令到它去到另外一个阶段。谢谢各位。
感谢佛罗伦斯，我把口罩。
Okay, please come closer.
希望大家不会觉得差很多，因为正常都会差很多。我稍微介绍一下，就是佛罗伦斯他们是来自香港的团队，那他们其实在专注在 AI 的这种视觉盲人的辨别，其实是非常强大的。那如果会后，如果大家有兴趣的话，其实可以跟他多深聊，因为今天只有短短的3分钟，其实很多事情都讲不清楚。所以我觉得他的摊位等一下可以直接找他，我觉得可以在往他那边方向再前进。那我稍微介绍一下我们公司，其实我们公司就是在花博旁边，我们在大同大学里面。 那我们本身是设计公司跟一个工业设计的一个工厂。
For the baggage carry. Yeah, so I will give the microphone to the.
我们其实是2间公司串在一起。我们墨设计师是专门做产品设计，吉利制造是专门做3D 列印工业设备，可是那种小台的设备是工业型的设备。我们专门做3D 列印的小批量产跟特制打量。那我稍微介绍一下我们自己。墨设计其实我们总共有18年的工作经验，其实我们开发过的产品超过150项以上，所以相关的产品其实我们都有备的经验。那因为我经验时间比较短，所以没办法讲得太多。我们其实做的就是做外观设计。 这个把我们当成工业师来看待。那我们协助很多客户的部分，就是希望说，我们透过外观设计，透过工业设计的力量，再透过3D 列印的产品模式，可以快速让startup的东西可以马上面对市场。所以其实，在整个我们跟佛罗伦斯在聊说，我们的合作是什么模式？好，我们从工业设计到工业设计做到后面的3D 列印的打量，那让startup有机会去募资，募到更多费用以后呢，我们就可以往后面的小型量产。 不管是模具还是3D 列印，那我快速的导览一下。那这个就是我们家的强项，其实就是怎么透过3D 列印的方法进入到。
Okay, thank you. So if you're interested in more in the drones later, I believe you have some free time at the Journey tour, right?
在我们的世界里面，已经做到不大全。
Any booth you are interested.
这个都是我们营业上啊，这是我们得奖记录。然后这个是我们实际的案例。我们现在做了，其实早期我们是手机、tablet 跟 notebook， 所以现在我们持续还是在做这样子的产品。 那这个是比较偏向device，我们总共做过 PCR， 总共有做过5、6种在处理。那也做了蛮多中间到先试开发。好，这个是然后6处理过来。非常漂亮。
Have you tried some capsule coffee? maybe in a hotel or in your home. But now we still have the system or the machine, especially for the tea. But it's not only that, it's not that simple. It also incorporates some like some smart ideas that it includes the temperature and humidity of today, and then it also some questionnaire regarding your your emotion or your feeling. Then the system will recommend you something to drink for tea. And it's made of the capsule, so that if you put the capsule into the machine, within 1 minute you get a tea ready for drink. So I will give the microphone to the booth owner.
It's Hong Kong startup company, and it's tea maker, and it has a app and magazine. According to the temperature and the humidity, and you can advise you the best trust tea. If you feel tired today, it will advise you. You can try it, and you want to relax. You will advise you sleep, and in a tube you have this tea dish, and it's echo. You can decompose in 2 years, and just 1 minute put in, and 1 butter you can make a tea auto. So convenient, and integrating herbal medicine and herbal traditional medicine to make you.
This ramen for me. Okay. Not like that. Just
You see the red bar here is actually CCIA, 中华开发 CCIA. And so you see that they're all red. If you take a look, you see some like a sun, right? So it's actually a Japanese pavilion. But why we have a Japanese pavilion in Taiwan? Because CCI would like to help Taiwanese startups to go for the Japanese market. Okay, as far as you know, that Taiwan has a very close relationship with Japan. So that for this organization, they want to help more Taiwanese startups to go to Japan. But you know, different area have different like rules or different ideas or different cultures. So that is very important that for Taiwanese new staff, if they want to go to the Japan, they have to understand what they think, what the Japanese think, and they have to get some connections with the Japanese venture capital, Japanese media, for example. So that's it's kind of like man in the middle to help them to go to the Japanese market. Okay, please follow me. That one, so since all of you are students, I think you must be very familiar with the Ministry of Education, right? So the Ministry of Education also helps many new young students, okay, to develop their own new stuff. So here there are some examples. I want to show you one of them, which is have you ever think of the problem of getting clean water? Have you ever think of this issue? How to get a clean water? In Taiwan, it's easy, right? I mean, like for example, if you want, you can buy bottled water on the market. Right? So, okay, let's come in closer so that you can see the demonstration. So they have all their own patterns that make it easy to get, and then later they will show you how to get clean water from muddy water. Okay.
Thank you. Hello everyone, we are Entrance Filter. So this is our product. Here, this one is the smallest filter in this world. This is a small one. Only some like okay. And so we can show you our product. So this is a dirty water, and we can use our filter to transform it to transparent water. Okay, and drinkable.
Oh.
And this one is drinkable.
Wow.
So only this small one inside. And so our product is the smallest one and faster and eco-friendly because we use a biomass material. And it has a longer, more durability than other products. So this one is our product. So if you are interested in this one, you can scan this QR code. There are more introduced for our product.
Saya harap pada sana sana mana hajik dia pun pula kesan le. Lalu apa yang guide, apa lai apa guide tu macam tu. Terus kalau mana bapa pun tak apa tu yang alih kan.
The black one. Yeah, black one first. And tap the no. Yes. And tap this. One. Yeah. Wait a moment. And press OK. Yeah, and step 2. Okay, press 2. Okay. Yeah. Wait a moment. You can watch this and step by step. Yeah. And right. Yeah. Yeah.他想要了解更多，就尝试跟他解说。
1, 2, 3. This is a video. Okay. How dare you? I will make a
YouTuber, 不要 need to pay.
This is a video, you can just come.
Yeah, this is a video.
This is a video, you can just come. Okay. Alright.